What's up here? We all know the tech world moves fast, and right now, one of the biggest game changers is AI. Listen, ChatGPT isn't just for homework anymore. In 2025, it's a goldmine if you know how to use it right. Today I'm breaking down 5 side hustles you can start with ChatGPT, even if you're a total beginner. And yes, people are getting paid for these right now. No tech degree, no fancy setup. Just you, ChatGPT, and some creativity. I've been diving deep into how AI is changing the game, and trust me, the opportunities are huge. We're talking about building real income streams, all powered by this crazy powerful tool. Whether you're looking to make an extra $500 a month or even replace your 9-to-5, ChatGPT can help you get there. Make sure you stay to the end, because I'm going to give you a bonus hustle that barely anyone is talking about yet. This one's got some serious potential, but you have to know how to use it right. We'll get into all that, so stick around. First up, let's talk about content writing. Now, you might be thinking one and their grandma is offering writing services online. And you're right, but here's the thing. Businesses, blogs, and even YouTubers need written content, like yesterday. And that's where you come in with ChatGPT as your secret weapon. Think about it. Blog posts, website copy, product descriptions, email newsletters. It's all content, and it's not going anywhere. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas, generate outlines, and even write full drafts. But hold up, I'm not saying you just copy and paste whatever the AI spits out. That's not how you build a real business. You're the editor, the curator, the human touch that turns AI-generated text into something special. Businesses are drowning in generic content. What they're really paying for is speed and quality. They want someone who can take their ideas and turn them into engaging, well-written pieces and do it fast. That's where your editing skills come in. You're taking the raw clay of ChatGPT's output and molding it into a masterpiece. You're adding your own voice, your own style, your own unique perspective. That's what sets you apart from the competition. And here's the best part, you can start offering this service today. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are overflowing with businesses looking for writers. Set up a simple gig offering fast blog writing with AI assistance. Don't be afraid to charge a premium for your skills. We're talking $50 to $100 per article depending on the length and complexity. Remember, you're not just writing, you're offering a complete content solution powered by AI but driven by your own creativity. It's a winning formula. Okay, next up, let's talk about social media. Now, love it or hate it, social media is where it's at for businesses trying to reach their customers. But here's the deal, most small business owners would rather eat glass than spend all day on Instagram or TikTok. They know they need to be active, but they're busy running their actual business. That's where you come in, my friend. You can be their social media savior, and ChatGPT is your sidekick. We're not just talking about posting a random picture with a few hashtags here. We're talking about crafting a strategic social media presence that gets results. Think about it, coming up with fresh content ideas every single day is hard. But guess what? ChatGPT doesn't get tired. It can generate endless captions, brainstorm viral video concepts, even help you research the perfect hashtags to get your content seen. And it's not just about creating content, it's about strategy. ChatGPT can help you plan out your entire social media calendar, weeks or even months in advance. Imagine walking into a meeting with a potential client and showing them a fully fleshed out content plan, complete with engaging captions and eye-catching visuals. Speaking of visuals, pair ChatGPT with a free tool like Canva, and you'll be cranking out professional-looking social media posts faster than you can say algorithm. Businesses are willing to pay serious money for this kind of social media expertise. We're talking $200 to $500 per month to manage their entire social media presence. You're not just posting for them, you're becoming their strategic partner, their secret weapon in the fight for likes, follows, and ultimately, customers. And the best part is, you can manage multiple clients at once, scaling your income as you go. Chapter 3. Alright, let's talk about email marketing. Now I know what you're thinking, email isn't that so 2010, but trust me, email marketing is alive and well and businesses are willing to pay top dollar for someone who can do it right. Here's the thing, most businesses know they need an email list. They know they need to stay in touch with their customers, but actually sitting down and writing engaging, effective emails week after week, that's where they hit a wall. That's where you come in, armed with the power of ChatGPT. Forget writer's block, forget staring at a blank screen for hours. ChatGPT can help you generate email sequences for just about anything. Welcome emails for new subscribers, ChatGPT's got you. Promotional emails for a big sale, easy. Abandoned cart emails that gently nudge customers back to their purchase, done and done. But here's the key, you're not just sending out generic robotic emails. You're using ChatGPT as a starting point, then you're adding your magic touch. You're personalizing those emails, infusing them with your client's brand voice, and making sure they resonate with their audience. And here's a pro tip: package your email marketing services into irresistible offers. Create a 5-email welcome series package that you can sell for $150 to $300 on freelancing sites. It's quick to deliver, extremely valuable for businesses, and once you've created it once, you can repurpose it for multiple clients. Chapter 4. Now let's talk about turning your knowledge into passive income with online courses and ebooks. You might be thinking, I'm no expert, what could I possibly teach? But here's the thing, you don't need to be the world's leading authority on a subject to create a valuable course. You just need to know a little more than your target audience, and that's where ChatGPT comes in. Think about it, what are you passionate about? What skills do you have that others might find valuable? It could be anything from photography to coding to dog grooming. Once you have your topic, ChatGPT can help you outline your course, generate lesson ideas, and even draft the actual content. But here's where you come in. You're the curator, the storyteller, the one who brings the human touch to the information. You're taking the raw data and turning it into an engaging learning experience. And the best part is, once you've created your course or ebook, you can sell it over and over again, creating a passive income stream that works for you 24/7. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and even your own website make it easier than ever to sell digital products. Start with short, affordable ebooks or mini courses priced at $10 to $50. You'll be surprised how quickly those sales can add up. Remember, the goal is to create valuable content that solves a problem for your audience. Do that, and the money will follow. Chapter 5. Alright, let's talk about a side hustle that's a little more under the radar but has massive income potential. AI automation. Now I know what you're thinking. Automation? Sounds complicated, but trust me, it's not as intimidating as it sounds, especially with ChatGPT by your side. Here's the deal. Businesses are always looking for ways to streamline their operations and save time, and that's where automation comes in. Think about all the repetitive, time-consuming tasks that businesses deal with every day. Sending emails, updating spreadsheets, managing appointments. Many of these tasks can be automated with the right tools, and that's where you come in. ChatGPT can help you understand the basics of automation and even guide you through setting up simple automations. Tools like Zapier and Make.com let you connect different apps and automate tasks without writing a single line of code. For example, you could set up an automation that automatically sends a welcome email to new subscribers, adds them to your CRM, and even sends them a discount code for their first purchase, all on autopilot. Imagine the time and headache you could save a business owner by automating just a few of their daily tasks. That's why businesses are willing to pay a premium for automation services. You could easily charge $100 to $500 per project, depending on the complexity. You're not just offering a service, you're selling efficiency and peace of mind. And the best part is, once you've mastered the basics of automation, the possibilities are endless. Alright, there you have it. 5 side hustles plus a bonus you can start with ChatGPT in 2025. If you're serious about making money online, now is the time to jump in. AI is still new enough that early movers have a huge advantage. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. The future is here and it's powered by AI. But remember, AI is just a tool. Your creativity, your work ethic, your drive, that's what will set you apart. Drop a comment below and let me know. Which hustle would you start first? And hey, if you want a step-by-step guide to setting up your first AI side hustle in under 7 days, grab my free starter kit linked below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe for more AI side hustle ideas, and I'll see you in the next one.